Hello, people. So, has it ever happened? I mean, I'm sure it's happened that sometimes you sleep at like 12 in the night and wake up at like 4 in the morning and get done with your bath and be all dressed and ready. And then, when it's actually time to move your butt and go and drive the car and go and pick up someone, you're like all full sleepy, groggy, tired. But yeah, so that's the whole thing of life. But so that's what now onwards here I give too much gyan, so I'm just gonna be like speaking like random stuff because what I realize is it's important to enjoy what you're doing. When you enjoy what you're doing, then you will automatically do it well, and the person watching it also can sense that. So yeah, it is now close to 8 in the morning, and by 9 I need to leave the house to pick up my child. And yeah, let's see if I can do other videos today because lots to be covered. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.